Hi everyone. So today we will be talking about the CT X-ray tubes. So ideally, what do we see? The radiation source for CT would supply a monochromatic X-ray beam that is made up of only one type of photons having same kind of wavelengths. So if we are talking about monochromatic beam, image reconstruction is simpler and more accurate as compared to the polychromatic radiation. Earlier, many models used to use radionuclides to supply such a kind of beam, but radiation intensities were very low, obviously, in nuclear medicine to be clinically significant. X-ray tubes are being commonly used in all commercial scanners that we already know. So earlier, means in the past, there were models which used oil-cooled fixed anode. Relatively very large tubes were there. I would say 2 into 16 mm focal spot at energies. They were having 120 kV, that is having the constant potential. The energy MAs, if we talk about 30 milliampere, were there. So the beam, those kind of beams were heavily filtered so that to remove the low low energy photons. Also to increase the beam's mean energy of the radiation. Now new fan beams, what we are using units, they are having diagnostic type of X-ray tube that is having rotating anode and a very small focal spot. In some units it is as low as 0.6 mm. So these tubes have very large heat loading, obviously because of the rotation of the anode, and the heat dissipation capability is also very good. They can withstand very high heat loads that is generated when multiple slices are acquired in very rapid sequence. Obviously, anode heat capacities, they can ask you some example like how much it can be possibly. So as high as it can be 35 lakh heat units around. Tube currents having 600 milliampere is also possible. So this is much about the X-ray tube. Next we will talk about the collimators.